Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on your Vivo Y76 5G. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store, and here we'll need to search for an app. Write notify body and hit the search button. Now select this app and press install. After installation process is complete, we can open the app, move to the next step, and from here you will need to grant 3 permissions to the app. First one is phone permission and then allow. Overlay permission, grant, and here locate notify body, press on it and allow display over other apps. Now let's move back and go for notification permission. Here find notify body and allow all access. Go back. And the third thing right here is battery optimization, and you don't need to disable it if the app works normally. If it doesn't, go back and disable it. Now let's move to the next step and press OK. From here you can already start using the app, and there's 4 tabs down here. First one is user, and here you can pick the apps that will get this custom LED lamp notifications. So first one, let's pick Facebook. If you go for the system, you will find all system-bound apps that are installed default on your phone. The next thing is active, and here you can find every app that you've just activated. So here's our Facebook. In the settings, you can customize your LED lamp by changing its size, shape, color, the placement of the screen, even time between blinking. After everything is set up, we can press test button. And the LED lamp will look like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.